Okay, we're here at Gallagher Van Nuys branch. Going to be demoing the new 2018 model Dirt Dragon, created by Betco. Totally enhanced model, and give you a little idea here on if you I put this on its side, and you can see those brushes now, instead of them being in a horizontal, they're all in a chevron pattern, and it pushes everything back to that huge vacuum. They put a much stronger vacuum, reinforced it. Everything's changed on this as far as with the squeegee on the sides. Everything's all beefed up. Much better model than it's been in the past. It's always been a good model, but now it's even better. And as you can see, this floor we're going to demo here has not been cleaned in a while. So we're going to give it a go here, and we're going to start off with putting the IFT for the first cut, and just to get through all this dirt and grime, get these contaminants off. And I've already got this tank filled up with the water. Put the water in first, always into the tank, and then add your solution. That way you're not putting too much solution, because it is concentrated, it goes a long way. And then of course over here we got our tie coat and our squeaky. So after we hit it with this, after we hit it with the IFT, and then we're going to hit it with the squeaky, and then we're going to go to the tie coat. This you're going to get 3,000 square feet per gallon, and you put it on real thin. It's going to go down real thin, and then you come back over with your street shoe NXT finish and put that over, and you basically have recoated a floor and made it look brand new. Made a brand new floor. Anyway, so here we go. We're going to get this thing going, and it should be fun.